These floods are unprecedented in Iran's recent history. They're very intense, huge, and are covering 23 provinces of Iran, which is very unusual. It is not unusual for Iran to have floods, but these floods are coming after a long drought, so they have surprised both the citizens and those in charge of water management.
یک نفر به داد ما نمیرسه، گیر افتادیم سر پشت بون.
سالن سه ابتدا.
One thing that we overlook in these incidents is that we have built a lot of dams, we have developed a lot of cities, and people have got too close to riverbeds.
Yo, Hussein!
It's sad to see people going through all these problems that we could have avoided had we planned for this situation.